What's up, guys? Are you guys stuck right now because thrift stores are closed?
Flea
markets are closed. Guys, everything is closed. As we tell our kids, it's closed.
They ask, is this open? Closed.
That's it.
Is this open? Closed.
So is that screwing your business right now, guys? Are you guys flippers out there, or you're looking to get into this field, and you got to figure out how to find your items? You don't have a death pile to list from? Guess what? We'll tell you guys what we do, why we are thriving in this economy right now, or in this market that's just insane.
We're still sourcing pretty much every day because that's your favorite part of this whole thing.
That's it.
Right?
And that's
Finding those items.
That's it. That's this beauty behind us. As you guys see, we just picked this up yesterday, and we have been buying stuff weekly, daily, all the time. We're picking up great items. This is one of the best times ever to be able to get items. So that's what we wanted to put out there, teach people how to get some great items right now when all the stuff is closed around you and you cannot get out there to source.
So let's jump into it.
Let's do it, guys. So the biggest trick, one of the things where we found this item at, is on OfferUp. This is the time that you need to utilize those apps out there, the apps that are still open, that you can still find stuff, and people are listing stuff because they need money right now. This is the time to be out there buying that stuff. So this guy cut this thing in half. He needed the money. I paid $100 for this. We should be able to sell this thing for $1,000. Once it's all said and done, we clean it up a little bit, get it up and running right. That's what we should be able to do with this. From $100 to $1,000, that's what I'm projecting on this flip. It is a commercial mixer, a 20-quart mixer. This is not the only thing we've bought recently. We have bought a ton of stuff. We buy exercise equipment, a lot of stuff out there that you guys can utilize right now if you will use those online apps.
And the four biggest apps are OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, Let Go. I mean, those are just the ones right off the top of my head that we are still sourcing on a daily basis.
We are. We are. Be safe out there.
Yeah,
I mean, meet in a public place, and also the things. Wear gloves. I mean, don't get close to people. Don't shake people's hands. Don't do any of that stuff. Do what you're.
Pay over Venmo or PayPal if you don't want to deal with cash. You know, that's totally you can do business like that and still be safe and still find things to make money off of.
That's it. This should not cause you guys to go into the hole. If you guys are flippers or you're trying to get into this business, this is the way you can thrive and succeed at this business of flipping.
Now, one thing to note is that these items will be larger items for the most part. Most people are not going to sell, you know, smaller items that you can go buy for $2 and go flip for $20. Yeah. You're not going to find that. So they're going to be more of the larger items that you can buy for $20, $50, $100 and sell for a couple $100.
Yep.
So large item shipping might be something that you
want to look into.
Yeah, need to jump into. So
that's how we make our business. I mean, that's what we built our business on, is the larger items, because we do a lot less items and we're able to sell them for so much more money than a pair of shoes, than a shirt, than clothes, than small items, any of that stuff that you're making $10, $20, $30, $50 on. We try to make anywhere from $200, $500 to $1,000 per profit per item. So that's what you're able to do with the larger items. And you guys might be like, man, there's no way I can figure out how to ship that. That's okay. Just go out there, start finding these items and flip them locally if you have to right now. And then once you get the hang of doing that, you can learn how to do the freight shipping.
And we do have a free resource on large item shipping, so we'll post that below so you can grab that, just a free PDF. Just some large item box shipping and freight shipping, just ways to get started.
That's it.
But yeah.
Who doesn't love freebies, guys? We give you some great information, just like this video. You're trying to challenge you guys, encourage you guys to be able to do this stuff right now in the crazy market that we're in.
Yeah.
So, all right, you guys rock. Check out this free, what is it, the download?
Yeah.
Check out that free download. Melissa will put below, and you guys can check it out. Let us know what you guys think. You guys rock. Have a great day.
Thanks.
See ya!